Dook Ambiferreters, this is the Ambigram Ferret, and here I am with Musky. Welcome to Someone Call Animal Control, There's a Wild Ambigram Ferret. If you understood all but the word ambigram, it's a word or phrase that can be read in two orientations. Most commonly, but not necessarily, right side up and upside down, such as Mark Palmer's example of wow and mom that he gives in the intro to the Ambigram Artists episodes. Speaking of Mark, I would like to thank him for doing my Musky Ambigram on Season 2, Episode 7, Eden Ronker for remixing my Animal Control Ambigram into the Animal Control poster, and the crew at My Name is Musky for my Musky plush and books. With that said, let's start on some ambigrams. Here's a quick glimpse at all the ambigrams that'll be on this episode of Someone Call Animal Control, There's a Wild Ambigram Ferret. Okay, this episode is going to break convention slightly. Despite the episode being called Cows and Raccoons, we're not going to include cow or raccoon in the list of ambigrams. Instead, let's take a look at the name of an actor, Ravi Patel, who plays Officer Emmett Patel. Are you ready? Then let's start. Let's do an ambigram of the name Ravi Patel such that his first name, Ravi, flips to his last name, Patel. It's going to be a very simple solution, so let's dive right in. I usually try to do capital letters at the start of names, but in this case, a lowercase r works best. Lowercase r to lowercase l. And we're going to take A and capitalize it so that we can do an A to a TE. Then we have V to A, which is pretty much natural, and we have I to P. So we do something like this. Ravi and his last name Patel upside down. The next two ambigrams connect loosely to the concept of the episode. Rascal and Rainstorm are the names of my plush raccoons. Here I have Rascal with me, and we're going to do his name so it says the same thing both ways. Are you ready? Then let's start. Rascal, this is for you. Let's blow Rascal's mind with an ambigram of his name. Alright, first we're going to do a capital R. And the way we're going to do this one is we're going to do a slight overhang from the left. We're going to do a diagonal line. We're going to have this diagonal share with A upside down. There's the rest of the A, and we're going to curve this part slightly to make a C. Cross the A's. I love when we can cross A's in both directions, and we have S or other such letters in the middle, like O, X, and we have CAL to RA. There we go. Rascal and Rascal. If you thought that was amazing, wait till we blow Rainstorm's mind. I got Rainstorm in May of last year. Let's do an ambigram that says Rainstorm both ways. Are you ready? Ready to watch Rainstorm become literally mind blown? Let's make an ambigram of his name. let's dive right in. Capital R is going to match to capital M. Sometimes you have to consider the capital and lowercase when doing ambigrams to see which one fits. Next, we do an AI to OR, and the purpose of this is to make rain flip to storm for convenience. Lowercase n to ST. See how rain flips to storm? It's easy to just do the same thing, but upside down. Rainstorm and Rainstorm. I told you, rain flipping the storm made the whole ambigram easier and more mind-blowing. The honorable mentions part of this episode will feature two dearly departed fighting mothers of the Meerkat Manor world, Swift and Flower. We're going to take a closer look at some ambigrams involving Swift and Flower's names. Are you ready? Dook Ambiferreters, this is the Ambigram Ferret here to celebrate Meerkat Manor's most famous meerkats, Swift and Flower. Swift was a fighting mother. She moved her pups out of the cattle ranch so the cows wouldn't trample them. So here's Swift Whiskers, and upside down it says Fighting Mother. But way before Swift was, Flower was. She got bit by the snake that she was trying to defend her pups from. So here's Fighting Mother and Flower Whiskers. The point I'm making is that Swift and Flower were both fighting mothers in their respective Meerkat Manor seasons. So happy birthday in heaven, Swift and Flower. And let's finish off on a long ambigram. Joel McHale stars, so it flips to animal control. When this is posted as a reel, it might be double speed, so be prepared for that. Ready? Then let's start. As you might know by now, Joel McHale stars as Officer Frank Shaw on Animal Control, which is a big hit with the Fox network. So this ambigram is in honor of his achievements and those of the show. Here we have lowercase j, and we're doing this lowercase j because the loop is corresponding to the one in cursive L. Next we have O to O, E, L to capital R, M, it's going to be a lowercase one again. I hope you don't mind lowercase. M to NT, C to O, H, and this is going to be H to L capital C, A to A, and looks like we have LE capital S to lowercase m. With this cursive style, it works. T to I, AR to capital N and S to capital A. Joel McHale stars Animal Control. And this concludes another episode of the Ambigram Ferret. Musky and I are very excited that you watched this video to the end. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where my handle is @MuskyTierChris. Then like and follow my page, the Ambigram Ferret. Turn on notifications for both so you know when the next video comes out. And always feel free to request an ambigram in the comments of any of my ambigram videos or posts. Last but not least, I would like to thank the crew at My Name is Musky for my plush and books. That's the only way I could have met Musky. Become an Ambiferreter today, and until next time, Dook Dook.